He was right. He got when I was born. But he didn't say that I went to Bendon Memorial Grammar School. I always want to mention my alma mater. That's where I went to college here after doing primary education in my community at Lusibu in Anambra State. Igbamaka Primary School. I remember that school because that's where I actually started. So whenever I want to be introduced, I want to hear that I went to Igbamaka Primary School at Lusibu. From there, I went to Bendon Grammar School at Azemlo. And from there, I went to University of Nigeria in Soka, where I read estate management. If you look at these three schools, they are all in Igbo land. It therefore means that I started in Igbo land, had my education in Igbo land, and by so doing, I'm a full-fledged, nurtured, and brought up Igbo son. I didn't acquire education anywhere outside Igbo land. This short introduction will show you that I grew up in the full consciousness of my identity as an Igbo man. And there was nothing that happened here since I was born till the present day that I didn't see or experience. I experienced the Civil War as well, but I didn't go anywhere. I was in Igbo land when the war was fought. So I saw everything, even though at a young age, I was 8 years old then. But I saw the effect of the war here. I had always one experience I will always recount. I was living with my grandmother during the war. And my grandmother went to market and left me alone in her premises. When I was there, a fighter jet, Nigerian fighter jet, came to bomb the army camp at Bendon Memorial Grammar School at Azemlo. And you know that Lusibu was near Azemlo. So the fighter jet had to come to Lusibu to turn and then go to target. And I was there alone. That fighter jet came, was flying at the height of the trees. So you could see people inside that fighter jet. And I was alone. So when that fighter came, I clutched the wall, spread my hand. I thought I was gone. He went and came again, and then took its bearing and went to Bendon Memorial Grammar School, where he did very terrible havoc. We were told after a few days, the story spread everywhere. So I saw the war. I could describe what actually happened. That is one. Then two. Yes, okay, took me to the political profile. He had done well, but I want to say that this party called APGA was a party we founded from the scratch to fill the gap the Igbos have always had in the political arena in Nigeria.